Pretty much just stab it. Stab it good and kind of twist. Do it good, you know?
Yeah.
And get your mouth on it quick. There you go. Crack the top. What, you can't finish one beer? Come on, hurry up. You got a whole lot of beer to do here. Oh shit, I wasn't recording this whole time. Don't waste all that. What are you doing?
There wasn't that much left.
Yeah, right. You know, it sounded like someone took a piss with how much beer was hitting the fucking tub.
Uh-oh.
You gonna puke now?
Maybe.
Really? It's a good thing I wasn't recording this.
Funny.
Alright, don't puke now.
Stop, I really am gonna puke. Stop!
Alright. Yeah, right?
No.
One beer and you're
I
gonna
took
puke?
most of that at one time, dude. I don't usually chunk shit.